Alright guys, John Chicken Chip Farms back. Today we have an HQ issue. This is actually a mini laser sight for your pistols. I've had this around for a while. These things are hard to come by anymore. Usually they're out of stock. So my advice would be to put a notification. They'll send, to whoever has them. I'll put gun deals on there. I'll put Sportsman's Guide. Just tell them to notify you when they come in stock. These run around $25, $26 when they have them. But they're a decent little sight, especially for what they cost. I mean, let's see what we got in here. They're going to give you 3 batteries. What comes with it? They're going to give you your Allen wrenches that you're going to need for this one, I believe, is to adjust the windage and elevation. This one here should be to mount it to the rail. And then down in the bottom, this is the Allen wrench to open up your battery compartment right here. So it's a pretty simple design here. So you got an on-off button here on the side. The elevation and windage is right here. And that should be it. So it's pretty simple. Now, one thing about this little sight I'm going to tell you, this little accessory rail does, you can remove it. So if you don't want a flashlight or something on here, you can take this off. This laser will not fit the G2C. At least it didn't fit any of the G2Cs I have, but it will fit the rail on the G3C, and it also fits the Walther PK380, and I'm actually going to try it on the Smith & Wesson, the 380 Shield Easy Slide, and see if it fits this rail here. So we'll check that out. But it's a simple little laser. They actually do take a beating pretty well, and they're fairly accurate. They say that the laser is good for over 100 yards. I've never tried to shoot this for over, or try to use this laser sight for over 100 yards. I don't think I've actually tried to use it for more than 25, but it's definitely good for that. And for a small home defense pistol or something like that, it's great. Except for it's under $30. So we'll take a look and see. So I know I had it on the PK380. It's very simple. Of course, I didn't put the batteries in this one, so you're really not going to see it, but see, I'll show you where the problem was on the, okay, obviously, we are empty, guys. We don't play with firearms when they're loaded. So, but anyway, if you look at the front here, see it's nice and level right across here. On the G2C, when I tried it on there, it would actually get stuck on the rail. Was too thick, so it would kind of kick it to the side, and it wouldn't fit. But it definitely fits on here just fine. Your on-off switch is down here on the bottom right there. That's it. But yeah, I said it's I think $26. I actually have a couple of these. I think I have one on a rifle, just because at the time I didn't have anything that really fit on. So, but here it is on the Walther. In case y'all are wondering, I'm nuts. See now, obviously on this one, you can use the rear, this back hole here. You can set it back a little farther if you want, but I don't think I would. I'd probably set it toward the front here. Let's see how it looks when it's on here. Yeah, that one looks like it grabbed on just fine. It's good. Like I said, you can back it up a little farther if you like it a little closer here. It will fit on this one. It'll slide back to the next slot. And this, like I said, this accessory rail is removable if you don't want it on there. If you want a light or something like that, it's definitely good to have. If you don't, you can take it off. There we go. Of course, we have a G3. G3C, it does, like, once again, guys, it does not fit the G2C. Empty. We only have the one slot here, so it's there you go. Yeah, nice and straight on there. So I said it definitely was an issue with my other one, so I'm glad to see this actually works on here. Oh. All right. Okay. How we were saying, this little accessory rail is removable if you don't like it. Now, one thing I can't tell you, because I have not checked this out yet, is I have not, as far as I can tell, because the batteries have not died on this all the time I've had it, I can't tell you if when you change the batteries, if you're gonna have, I don't know if you're gonna have to re-zero this. I haven't tried that. I'll have to try that and see what happens. Of course, it doesn't tell you, so it doesn't tell you anywhere on here which way these go. So we're just gonna guess. I said the other one I've had it for a while, and the batteries haven't died on it, so I guess I could take them out and then check and see if it's holding zero, and I'll just update you guys on that. Sorry about blinding you guys there. All right, guys, really quick across the kitchen there. There you can see the laser. There we go. I said it's pretty bright. I'm really, like I said, it's a $26 laser. Let's see if you can see any of this here, what it says on here. Basically, it says, "Do not look directly into the laser. You went blind." But it's a $26 laser. HQ. And this is all the information you get. HQ mini laser sight. That's it. It's not overly extravagant, guys, but it does work. So I'll put the link in there for a Sportsman's Guide, and I'll put the link in there for I believe it's gundeals.com. And the one I couldn't find this on Amazon. I found another one that they make, but I don't know anything about it. It's a little different than this. I said I'll probably pick one up and check it out, see if it's comparable to these or not. But so far it seems to be a fairly decent sight. I'm not going to complain about it. And I'm actually going to use this on, I really don't know. I'm going to send this one with my mom and the Smith & Wesson Easy Shield, or I'm going to keep it here and put it on the Walther. So either one. But there you go, guys. It's simple, fairly inexpensive little sight. If you guys are looking for something like this, once again, we are here to bring you these budget items and try to let you know if there's any value here or not. So far, we think this is a good buy. So check it out. Like I said, it's out of stock almost all the time. So when they do come in, I would grab a couple. I said I did last time they came in, and just keep them around because they sell out very fast. All right, guys, we appreciate it. Thanks a lot.